Okay. Hi. Um, okay, so here I am practicing my voice. I am recording and making a video of it so that I can play it back and see what I like and what I don't. Um, I don't think I'm going to post it. I don't expect that it's any better. I just need to be practicing. Um, I've watched a million YouTube videos tonight to the point that it was depressing, and so, yeah, great. Thanks. Um, I mean, see, now I'm not going to post this video at all because, of course, I don't want to take back my thanks. I'm so fucking grateful to everyone. But, whatever. I'm just lonely because Ellie's not here. Okay, anyway, I need to practice my voice and practice projecting and speaking loudly with the voice that I want. And so I made 3 videos and I posted them online. And there were moments in there that I liked and that I thought sounded good and natural and more female. But not all of them, not all of the video, you know. A lot of it I didn't think sounded very good. But that's why I need to practice. And practice breathing. She Voice talks about breathing through your nose and your mouth at the same time. Oh god, and head voice, speaking from your head and through your nose and keeping the resonance out of your chest and keeping your voice up. My friend Felipe came yesterday and I hung out with him for a while and went to dinner with him, and it was nice because Ellie's not here and so I'm always having dinner alone and that sucks. And again, it's like the same thing. I try to keep my voice up, and I do at times, but definitely have lots of moments of slipping back. And so I need to keep practicing, keep trying. I mean, now I'm doing it all the time, like at the grocery store and getting food and whatever the hell else I do with my day and talking to people. Um, but yeah, hi, hi, hi. So is that better? I can't decide. But whatever. Okay, basically I'm just talking and practicing so that I can see that it's higher. Um, I didn't really warm up, but I've also been doing the thing, the Finding Your Break from Finding Your Female Voice DVDs, uh, which is like this. Whew, which is really hard and hard on the voice, and I hope I'm not practicing too much. I'm a little bit concerned that I might be, and I don't want to do that. But what's today? August 29th. Oh my god. So Ellie's coming home in a few days, and I'm really hoping that things will be better when she gets back. Um, which I know is a little bit weird for her. She goes out of town and she comes back to a new girlfriend. But hey, that's transition for you. I mean, God, I hope that that would happen. That she would come back to a new girlfriend. Or that she would come back to my new voice. Um, that that I could get in this mode and habit of using this voice. I mean, it's hard when I'm with people I've known for a long time. Um, and it's hard when I'm nervous. Oh man, it's really hard when I'm nervous. I had an interview yesterday with a magazine and I was really nervous, and I just slip back into deep voice for like authority or something. So I need to remember when I'm speaking in front of crowds or when I'm speaking to a journalist over the music in the coffee shop and I need to be loud, that I still need to talk like this. And so that's going to be a whole new challenge, is speaking like this, but speaking loudly. So maybe I should practice that in these videos, is speaking with the female voice that I want, but speaking loudly. I mean, I think that my gender studies class has like 100 students in it, and hopefully I'll be able to project to all my students. Um, yeah, hopefully, and yeah, that's that's something that I really want. I mean, I know it's a ridiculous goal for me to improve my voice in 2 weeks while Ellie's gone, but it's not a ridiculous goal for me to keep practicing and improve my voice by the time school starts, which is in another month. So I just need to keep practicing and recording my voice and listening to it and seeing what are the parts that I like and what are the parts that I think are too androgynous, or I think it needs to be a little higher. It's funny that some people have told me that video 2 is better than video 3 and all this crap. Oh, I look tired. I am tired. Okay, well, I'm done practicing for now. I'm just gonna listen to this video. I hope iMovie doesn't fuck up again. Or I might just start using Audacity.